Hello guys.
Our artwork today is about the nature plant.
Okay, the materials are watercolor, brush, Oslo paper, of course water, and the stalk of the okra.
Procedure, first you have to do is gather all materials for the artwork. Okay. Then, second, you have to cover the area for the artwork activity. Okay. Okay. You have to decide what design you are going to make. Stalk of the okra fruit, and you have to dip this on the watercolor. You have to dip, dip on top. Our objective for this artwork is differentiate the abstract design from realistic design. This is the finished product or the finished artwork. This nature print. Okay, let your artwork dry. Thank you guys. Bye.